Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, August 30, 2025. Gladys Reyes hopes to work with Jody Santa Maria. Gladys, kapag take na, wala nang Jody sa akin. Gladys Reyes has her sights set on Kapamilya star Jody Santa Maria as one of the celebrities she'd love to work with now that she's officially part of Star Magic. During the media conference following her contract signing with ABS-CBN Talent Management Arm on August 28, 2025, Gladys candidly shared how much she's looking forward to a possible collaboration with Jody. Isa rin siguro sa naisip ko kaya I signed up with Star Magic because I want to work also with Jody Santa Maria. Parang ang sarap niyang apihin, di ba? Ang bait-bait ni Jody, Gladys quipped, drawing laughter from the crowd. She went on to praise Jody not only for her award-winning acting chops but also for her warm personality. Alam naman natin, napakahusay na aktres din ni Jody, multi-awarded as well. At sa totoong buhay, ang bait-bait din kaya parang mano kang saktan kapag eksena. But, syempre, kapag take na, wala nang Jody sa akin. Maiintindihan na ni Jody yon, she added, laughing. Gladys also revealed that she and Jody have known each other since back in the day, as Jody worked with her husband, Christopher Rojas, in the youth-oriented series Tabing Ilog. Aside from Jody, Gladys also shared a list of other Kapamilya stars she hopes to work with now that she's under Star Magic. Jericho Rosales as well, di ko pa siya nakakatrabaho. Si Piolo, Pascual, bukto pa yata ng Mara Clara nung nakatrabaho ko. Syempre, nung nagkita kami sa Star Awards, we were talking, sana magkatrabaho tayo soon. Gladys also wishes to have a project with Kim Chu, whom she often meets on It's Showtime. I wanna work with Kim also kasi sa It's Showtime lang kami nagkakasama. Ang bait-bait din ni Kim sa akin, and I'm sure, mag-e-enjoy kami together kapag magkasama kami. She also mentioned Catherine Bernardo, Julia Montes, Bel Mariano, and Donnie Pangilinan as among her dream co-stars. Catherine din, kasi nakatrabaho ko na before si Julia sa mga Once Upon a Time. Though I would like to work with Julia again. Sa mga bagets, of course, nandyan sina Donnie, si Belle. Ang dami, kasi nga usually, lagi akong nandoon sa kabila, GMA7. And even though she's now under ABS-CBN Talent Management Arm, she will continue to take on projects across other networks. She is currently starring in GMA's Cruz vs. Cruz, alongside fellow Star Magic talent Rina Morales. After more than 4 decades in the industry, Gladys has earned the title, Primera Kontrabida, in Philippine entertainment. One of her most unforgettable antagonist roles was in the classic Kapamilya series Mara Clara, 1992, where she portrayed the iconic Clara del Valle opposite Judy Ann Santos. When asked about her enduring passion for acting, Gladys shared that her enthusiasm comes from the challenge of bringing something new to every role, proving that her love for the craft only grows stronger with time. I'm always excited. Every time I have a project, excited ako lagi na isipin kung ano ba ang atake ko rito. Kahit nasabihin mong most of my roles are kontrabida, yung sa akin, mas challenge ako doon, Kung paano ko ba iibahin ito, paano yung approach ko, paano ako magkakarakterize dito. So yung sa akin, yung passion, laging nandoon habang tumatagal. Siguro as I age, mas tumitindi yung passion na marami pa akong gustong gawin.
May dream collab ka pa ba in mind? Tuloy pa ba yung naisip mong project with Juday and Claudine?
Okay. Sa dream collab, isa rin siguro sa naisip ko kaya I signed up with Star Magic because I want to work also with Jody Santa Maria. Jody, parang ang sarap niyang apihin Di ba? Di ba? Kasi parang bait-bait ni Jody. Tsaka magkakilala din talaga kami ni Jody dahil syempre magkasama sila way back ni Christopher noon sa Tabing Ilog. So, mga 90s din kami. So, I want to work with Jody Santa Maria, with Jericho Rosales as well. Di ko pa siya nakakatrabaho. Si Piolo kasi bukto pa yata ng Mara Clara nung nakatrabaho ko.
At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!